Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James of the Chart Guys. It's Wednesday, August 2nd, going to do my nightly video on oil. What I was watching in the inventory report is I had some lines drawn. This bottom line was a little bit different. I had it lining up with the low here. But after the inventory reports, I saw this bounce and readjusted my lines and highlighted that I had a double top here on the hourly at 49.30. You can see this hourly at a 49.30 high and this had 49.30 high. And once it broke that, breaking this downtrend line on the hourly, breaking above 49.30, had some upside here. And now what I'm watching for here is this hourly. We have some hourly inside bars here. So we have an inside bar and we have another inside bar. Let me see if make sure that's the inside bar of inside bar. So we have an inside bar here, an inside bar to the inside bar, and I currently have another inside bar to an inside bar. So I'm going to watch this pattern really closely and see if we break it bear or bull. And the reason I'm watching that is because the daily, what we did on the daily is form an inside bar here as well. Let me close it. Let me get rid of that drawing. Get rid of this drawing as well. So we have an inside bar on the daily as well. High and low is within previous ranges, high and low. It's close to the bottom here of this big red candle. So gonna look for potentially a bear break here on, even though we had a bull inventory report. The break below the low here of 48.55 is going to be a bear break. Of course, we need to close below 48.55 and break the recent low of 48.37, the low of this past consolidation here, to show that the bear is in control. If that happens, likely going to lose the 8 EMA, and that's what I'm waiting for, a loss of the 8 EMA to take a short position on oil. Currently, it's at 48.99. And again, the reason why I'm looking short right now is the weekly right now, we are at that downtrend line. So let me see if I can draw this downtrend line for you guys. So downtrend line, draw it here. You can see we're right at that downtrend line, still rejecting at that downtrend line on the weekly. And we need to get close above that. So I'm going to either look for a close above this downtrend line on the weekly and a break above this recent high of 52. And that's going to change the trend of lower highs here and lower lows on the weekly if it can break above that 52 recently. And then potentially we'll start looking bull as the trend has changed on some consolidation. Or I'm going to look for a rejection here on the weekly and a break below this daily inside candle that I just pointed out to you here. Again, the bear break would be a break below 48.55, and a close below 48.55 is obviously going to get us a close below the 8 EMA on the daily, and going to swing this short. And another factor I'm looking at is this daily RSI. I mentioned in yesterday's video that the last few times that the RSI has been at these levels, you can see here we had downside, here downside, and currently at that area here as well. We are consolidating, cooling the RSI off a bit here, so we could definitely change the trend here, as the daily has been setting higher highs and higher lows here. So we could still continue up, but again, I'm just waiting for I'm either waiting for that weekly break or a break above that downtrend line on the weekly to take a bull position, or start looking bullish at least, for looking for a bull position, or I'm going to enter a bear position on the bear break of this inside candle and the break below this 8 EMA. Of course, trends do change, and we saw that trend change here on this daily. Once we had this bounce attempt, pulled back, had lost the 8 EMA, and when it's been losing the 8 EMA, obviously we've been having great downside. But here it was different because we set a higher low from the recent low, and we knew the trend changed then. So could still be changing the trend and could continue bullish, but currently just going to eye this inside candle here and see how we can play off that inside candle based on the 8 EMA and the weekly downtrend resistance. So have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.